Ever dreamed of a drone that loves water? The HoverAir Aqua is redefining aerial photography in 2025, offering an unparalleled experience for water enthusiasts. This isn't just any drone, it's explicitly engineered to be tossed directly into the drink, making it the ultimate waterproof companion for kayaking, surfing, or paddleboarding. Imagine capturing your most epic, splashy moments without the constant fear of losing your expensive gear. The Aqua boasts ingenious autonomous follow modes, paired with its wearable lighthouse controller, allowing you to focus entirely on your activity while the drone effortlessly tracks you. Its impressive IP67 waterproof rating and a clever turtle flip feature ensure it's always ready for action, even if it gets overturned. Recording in stunning 4K video with 128 gigabytes of onboard storage, the HoverAir Aqua promises crisp, vibrant footage of your adventures. While initial reviews noted minor firmware quirks, expect a highly polished and robust experience in 2025, solidifying its place as a game-changer for aquatic adventures. Don't just watch. Create your own breathtaking water narratives with this incredible aquatic drone. You can find links in the video description to buy the HoverAir Aqua and unleash its full potential on your next journey.